Hello YouTubers. Today's a beautiful day today after a big heavy rain. It's a good day to make a video. Okay, I'm getting ready to change out the cabin air filter on this 2017 GMC Sierra. And what you're going to need is a filter, of course. And here's the air filter from CV11809. And you're going to need a bit. Okay, this bit is a T15, and of course you're gonna need a screwdriver. Okay, I'm going to pull out these bolts. There's 4 of them. They're like this. They're T15s, and that is what you use, the bit, to pull these bolts out. There's 2 of them up here at the top, one right here, and there's 2 at the bottom. So what you have to do is pull those 4 bolts off first and pull this compartment out before you can get to the air filter. So I'm going to pull those 4 bolts out. Come over to this one. Okay, I got these 2 right here. One right here, and then there's one right here. Then after I get these 2, I gotta go get the 2 at the bottom. And then when I get those 2 pulled out, then you can pull this whole unit out right here. Okay, here's the last one. Kind of hard to get to. Okay, I got it. Okay. Okay. That's all 4. That's all 4 of them right there. Okay, now that I got that out, this whole thing just slides out. So what you have to do, these little tabs, there's 2 tabs, one on this side and one on this side. You pull them in, and this whole unit will come out. Okay, I'll probably have to put down the camera in order to do it. Alright, I got one side out, and this other side just pops out right here. Just like that. You can just put this unit down at the bottom down here. Okay, if you look in here, here's the air filter right here. Here's a tab up here. And there's another one right here. All you do is pull back on those tabs, and this whole thing will come out right here. Just like that. Reach over here to this other one. Just like that. And this will come out just like that. And there's the air filter right there. So all you do is just reach in and grab it. And it is dirty. It has never been changed. Some micro air. Okay. Okay, I just throw that down like that and put it in the new air filter. Okay, I done got the air filter out. I'm just looking inside the compartment here to see how clean it is. It is pretty clean in there, so I don't have to go in and do any more cleaning. All I have to do is just slide the new filter in. So let me put down the camera so I can get the new filter. Okay, here's the new filter. Let me pull it out. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Okay, here's the new filter. Okay, and this is the front of it right here. See the arrow right there? The arrow right there. You put this side in first. It goes with the airflow. The airflow's down at the bottom, so this just slides right in. So let me put down the camera here. I want to make a quick comparison between this old one and this new one. Here's the new one, of course, and here's the old one. I think it's filthy. But I'll go ahead and slide it in. This is the way it goes in with the arrow pointing down. You put that in first. And it just slides right in. So I'll probably have to put down the camera in order to do that. Okay, I got it in. I had to slide it in sideways, but it went right in there. So now all I have to do is just replace this unit right here and put the bolts back in. Okay, this unit right here, this glove compartment goes in the same way that it came out. You got a clip on each side, one right here, one on each side, and this whole thing just kind of slides in and it snaps in right here. So let's see if I can line it up. There you go. It lines up just like that. There's a clip opening on this side, another one on that side, and it snaps right in. Just like that. Now, all you have to do after doing that is just putting the bolts back in. I got one right here again, and two others at the bottom. Okay, I got this one started. Okay, that one's in. Go over here to this side over here. Okay, I got those two in. So now all you have to do is put in the other two at the bottom, and that's it. You finish. That's all you have to do. Okay, I've got everything back together, and that's pretty much all you have to do.